Evening guys, we're back here again. This here doesn't automatically close off when it's charged, and I left it on for quite a while, so I may have missed it. Oh! Two of them. Yeah, guess where they're from. Just have a guess. So they're more likely gonna fling up and hit me in the eye. Why has Alvin got Ben Nelson? I don't know. Anyway guys, I've got 5 days left at the pig, if you know what I'm on about. Pig on the Hill, I've had a contract up there with them since July. Fuck you down here somewhere. Yeah, I've been on the contract, and now you can't see me because it's too dark. Okay, it's a bit bright. Yeah, I've had a contract with them since July. That's coming to an end soon, obviously, end of July. It sucks. It sucks, but it's one of those things. You just kind of have to get on with. I had to fix my castle again because, you know, it's my castle. So I did that. This morning when I left. I didn't do another video of me driving up because I didn't think you lot would want to see that, so I just didn't. If you do want to see more videos of you coming to work with me, sort of saying, it's got to be on the quiet though, like when it's on the outside like that, because people don't tend to like being recorded, so it's fine. You've got to respect them at the end of the day. So yeah, I'm just gonna tidy up in here a bit now and basically go from there, because what else did I do? Can I hear? Oh yeah, I forgot I did all this. Well, not, I didn't forget that I did this, but I forgot I did this. Right, what am I thinking here, guys? What am I thinking? I need something to put inside on my desk so I can hang my headphones on. And I'm thinking this could be it. This could be the thing that I've been waiting for. No, I'm joking. It could be the thing that sorts it for me. Electrical stuff. This stuff can just go over here from it. That could also be another good one. Let's see. Shall we? So let's put that over there. Let's put the other one down. I don't even know where the hell I put it down to now. Oh, there it is. Right, let's see how it needs them up, because it's just getting them up anyway. So this here can just go across all this lot. Or this can lay down and open on top of this. Ah, see, that's another. I don't know why I didn't think of it before, but that is the other plan. I'm saying this and you can't even see because I'm talking and totally forget about you guys. Cheers me over there, and then I'll put you down over here somewhere. How are we looking? maybe turn you a little more that way. That's a bit better. Drill bit, which I need to keep out, so I'll put that in there for that. Right, I need my drill for this side. Let me move all this out the way so I can get to my bin here. My temporary bin anyway. There we go. Temporary bin. Sorted. Now, so that can go in the bin. These gloves can go in the bin because they've been here for a while. That can go in the bin. And that can go in the bin. There's basically a lot of stuff here that can go in the bin. I also need to get around to fixing that. Which by the looks like water's gotten in this, and well, you can see for yourself. What's in this? Used to be pellets. So what's in it now? I can't even open the damn thing. What the hell? Okay. Got enough gap now that I can probably squeeze something in there. Guys, I'm so close to getting my Jenny. I'm 200 away, but you know what's going to happen, right? You know what's going to happen. Like always, you're gonna get all excited. It's gonna come to the day where you go to buy it, and guess what? Something's gonna get in the way. That something will be bills, and then you'll get less excited because you would rather pay bills. There's water in the damn thing. Oh, sweet. My missus just bought me a new board as well, so I'll show you that as well. That's sweet, because I need more of them. Electrical wires can go inside because I need it inside. That can go in the bin. Welding gloves can go on the welder. This here can just go up here for a minute because I don't know what else to do with that. Where's it log run to? There it is. And I'll stick them down with the blades so you can see the size difference, what the blades are meant to be like. Yeah? So I'll grab that. Where's it gone? There it is. I'll stick them down the bottom. Stick this electric grinder somewhere. Woo! I'm doing my toes. Get it in there. I really need to start looking after my stuff more. I really, really do. So this can live underneath. Oh, that's pretty good. It's like a sanding wheel, but it will grind down metal like it's fatigue. So that's up there. This completely empty, and punch a hole in that chewy. a dent in it first so it has a nice flat area. Again, why do I punch holes in this? Right. I will tell you, since my fucking... I heard something before, and I thought it was something for this. I'll punch a hole in this, part of the fact is because it's flammable and stuff like that, and I don't like them popping in someone's face, so... Let me put it in here then. Just gonna be a dick about it. It's gonna be a dick about it. All I need is enough to blow in. We don't want bad bastard, did we now? Right, top. Let's take it out there. I can stay out actually, but it's depressed now, type thing, if that makes sense. So let's move it back over here. Again guys, I'm sorry, it's nothing much, but I'm struggling to do the day-to-day stuff, so end tube. That's a drill. That's for a drill. That's also for sandpaper and stuff. So that can actually go underneath. Go bin. I've actually got a fair bit here that can actually go get chucked actually. I has. I still need to finish actually doing the what's it called? The generator shed. Huh, you guys had it, see? Because that is well, will be needed when I get my new generator, because obviously I won't install my generator in here, so it will be needed quite urgently. And of course, fuses everywhere. I'm not going to pick them up, am I? Oh, they can F off. I'm not going through all that. No way. Actually, this will look a lot better once actually things are actually put in the bin, shall I say. What's here? We've got like a long screw. Whatnot. That can just go in the bin because that's rusty. This here. Let's have a look here. Nah, see, it's sticky. I don't want it sticky. Let me get sticky both sides, right? I want something from a toolbox to stop it slamming down. I could use that. I've got a little bit left there, so if I use that in there, should be alright. I think I'm going to bin if I cut it off with the only appearances that I've got. I'm literally just going to need half, so it can just do one, quite frankly. Right, now let's sort this out, because this one here needs putting back and putting away properly. But I've needed stuff to undo this, so cool. Yeah, you do that. whack him in there and tighten him down. Wow. Even that's not going to do it. Ow. Oh, help. Get off. What am I? Turn it on. Right guys, I need another plan. I need another plan. Bin. Screw door box thingy. Just go wherever. Damn spiders, man. Spiders do my head in. Why are they even here, man? Seriously, why are they even here? What good are they to us? More rubbish. Just, oh god. I'm just getting to the point where I'm sick tired of this place being a complete crap hole. I said it in the nice way this time for you guys, because, you know, why not? That needs to go in for the plumbing, which is underneath all that lot. Right. That needs to go. Ow, actually, that whole thing needs to go inside. Right. Right, I need to try and get this off. Just put it down so you can see what I'm doing. Make sure this is snug right down. Yes, I'm going to this then to making sure it's snug right down. I'm gonna need it. I'm gonna need it. I don't want to turn it on, mate. There we go. Like it was meant to be. I can get to undo this now without having to. Yeah, there we go. Sorted. Alright, let's bring it back over here now. Sweet. Like that. Boom. Boom. Voila. Bin. And I need a key. Awesome. Right guys. I've got loads of crap here. These go in the bin. Foxes. Yeah, biscuits. Needs to go in there. And I've got some more hooks. A jewelry clip. A washer. So you probably can't see any of this, but jewelry clip. Washers and those silly little stupid hook things. Yeah, this lot here literally can do one and can just go in the bin. I'm not picking all that up. Am I hell picking all that up? You see that one? There's this one is picking up. that could go back there actually because it's a leak, because that's electrical. So you can go in the bin. You know, bin, which seems to have fallen out. But why would I have this crap? I don't understand why I would have this. I just... Sometimes I wonder what goes through my head. I've got loads of stuff like that needs to go scrap anyway, so... I've got loads of goodies in here. Loads of different things. Yeah. Yeah. So like this fan. See, it was like connecting it to the solar panels that we've actually got left plugged in. Should we have a look and find out? Without you falling over, maybe? Nah, you can fall over, and you. Let's face it, you are. So yeah, guys, I'm like slowly but painfully running out of stuff to do. Show you guys. I really don't know what to show you. I know I've got one thing out in the car I need to show you. And that'll be quick and easy. That's literally pin a plug onto wires, which I can actually bring in here, to be honest. Right, so I need that one there. That one's my knife. So I better bring you up here, really, don't I? Because this is where it all is. This is where it's all happening. So we're not switched on at the moment, so the switch on is that one there, which is, we've taken away 40, so we've got 40, 60 watts of solar panels, I think. Yeah, it's not, it's barely doing anything, so let's move it over to the 100 odd. Interesting. Sounds. What's going on here? You're telling me we haven't been having the full lot of power come in? Is that what you're trying to tell me? Is that what you've been trying to tell me? I hope not. Right, let's switch you off both of them and see what happens then. Oh, now I've got power. And you probably hear that. Always juicing. I was just getting faster and faster and faster and faster. Alright, stop now. Right, so let's turn that back off so it doesn't short out on anything, which I'm sure something will. I'll just stuck for room here, guys. Stuck for room. Anyway, like I said, it's only going to be a short video today. Like, very, very short, because I can't be bothered to do anything. I'm completely knackered. Not knackered as in I'm screwed. I'm knackered as in tired. Just so drained. So I'm going to move everything here out the way. Still need to do that yet. Need to buy. What I'm planning on doing is, I don't know if you can see it, that fan that's down there, that was for the car. I'm going to buy another one of them, and then that fan, I'm going to use for ventilation in the what Wheeze is calling a Jenny shed. So that's what we'll be doing with that. Anyway, and I'll be buying not vents that out, but ones that are on like a shutter. They open up when and shut again when by gravity type thing. Oh, the inverter that was here, it popped something. It's completely knackered, so we don't have an inverter in here anymore. But look at this. Don't know if that will focus. See. I wonder why it stopped working. Unbelievable. How the hell that did not catch fire, I don't know. But more bin stuff. Oh, God, you want to watch out for these. Little, like, curly-whirly freaking metal things. They're so sharp. And so I want to get you. Why do I keep hearing people outside? Like, I know they're outside, but I mean, it sounds like they're right there. So, more stuff in the bin. Of course, part 1, I suppose, of the show coming up. When I got some more energy, then I can be out and just do more. The weather's not great either, so I can't take any of this out. I can that can go out, but I can't take the Jenny out or anything like that. It's just, it's crap weather. It's really crap weather, so let's take you indoors and we will eat that and we'll put up what my partner got me. And we're back inside. Here's the board that my partner got me. So what we're going to be doing is, I can't show you that because it's probably going to get done for copyright by him. I'm going to wipe the shelf out and just take it all out and put it up there. But first the headphones. I want to put. Why are you so blurry? There we go. Right, me. Ow. What am I don't know, guys, actually. That's more like it. I think that's got to be the one. Let me grab my handy dandy box here with drill bits. I've got to remember not to go right through the desk. That's the only problem. Because these bits are so damn sharp. I've got to be careful not to go through. I think that's it. I think that's it, guys. It's a bit pissed, but it's fine. Let's try my headphones. Let's try my headphones. It's just so they're out of the way, man. Do you know what I mean? They're just always in the way. Oh, you can't see. And it's red, so it matches. Yes. Oh yeah. In there. So that's all we decided to go with. Sweet. So now, you up here. Extend you. put you about there. There's one of the bits there. Oh, please don't tell me they're outside already. I swore them outside. No, yeah. Oh, you start taking stuff off this. Ink cartridge, that doesn't work. That's brand new. Right guys, I feel like I need to bring you in closer. Oh crap, but I need to bring you in closer. What about that angle there? Oh crap. Seriously? Is there anything on this end? Sorry guys. One screw I was thinking was all that. I hope it's done for because it's going to be fair, it was a beefy screw. Which reminds me, I must have bought some of them at some point. So this is coming down. And it's going to be going up. It's going to be going up here like this, methinks. Like that. That'll be pucker. I can't see. Yeah. So I need to drill little holes in there. Let me show you what I'm doing now. So right now I'm going to drill little holes in the corner, or corners should I say. Hopefully it stays together. Hopefully. Holy mother of God! What happened there? One, two, three, four. I feel I need to go bigger. I feel whatever I was thinking there is going to just split the wood. And that's just a question about it. Crap, that was hot. If it needs to be, I can always tighten up, and I can always do 2 in the middle as well. Right, so let's bring back up this way, up to the wall. Oh my god, my ankle needs to click, and it's not. It's going to make me stand on it. Of course it will. I'm using way too big screws for this, but you know. Yep, splitting it apart as I thought. That's fine, as long as it stays up there. Not too bad actually. What will this do? Just scratch. Oh, that one was a bit too much. Okay, maybe not enough. Oh, I don't know, guys. Hey, please.
Why?
Because I said so.
Why?
So if I have to ask you again, you begin to your room.
Why?
And like that. Sorted.
Okay.
And that's where the rest of my stuff will go them. Jack, I've asked Ellie to go out, so you go as well, please. Right. Well, that's it. Look straight. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Let's shorten you a bit so I can hold you. You're going down. Right, here we go. I'm stressing again for doing like nothing. I know, right? That really didn't look straight. Oh well. Anyway, that's gonna be it for today, guys. I haven't got energy to do anything today. I'm just so tired. You've just seen the thing for us, guy. That's fine. If you find out where we live, we can change it. So, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. that looks like it's all good. So clean the shed a little bit, sort out the headset and board. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in part 2.